Welcome to Naturaliss Jamaican Home Cooking. Alright, this week I'm going to be doing coconut and sugar. If you're just joining, remember to like, share, comment and subscribe for more videos. Tell a friend to tell a friend and 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 a friend, and then another friend. Come make we bubble apart. Yeah, so I have my dry coconut here, right? Going to break it open. Alright. Well done. Drink the water. Very delicious. Yeah man, very refreshing, huh? What I'm going to do now is shell this coconut, right? What I'm going to do now is cut these up. Alright, you can cut them however you want. If you want, you can shape them out into a diamond. Alright, just cut them however you want to cut them. If you want, you can design them into an heart. I'm going to wash these off. What I'm going to do now is just put them in this plate for the adding of the sugar. So now I'm going to add some brown sugar. Yeah man, coconut and sugar, you know, this is it. Let me test it, see what it is like. Oh, test the heart shape one. Yeah man, very delicious, you know. I always loved this when I was a kid. Right, grew up around a lot of coconut, so this was one of my favorites. So try it out. Let me know what you think if you never had this before. Tell a friend to tell a friend and 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 a friend. Friend, and then another friend. Alright? Boop!